How you doing? Do you have a stay-at-home order? Are you quarantining? Are you social distancing? I am. But I've been social distancing for like 5 months now. And I gotta tell you, stop complaining, right? Especially during these times. You have an opportunity to be fuel, or you have an opportunity to be an anchor. Be fuel, don't be anchors. Speaking of fuel, I thought, hey, why don't I show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Right? That is fuel for your soul if you can find peanut butter. So, sit tight, relax. You got nothing else to do. And let's make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and just chat. I need a plate. Plate. It's a stressful time. I get it. Everybody's stressed out. So to make the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich, what you need is peanut butter. I like Jif. You want to know why? Because choosy moms choose Jif. I wish I was a mom. Actually, respect to all the mothers out there who are at home, or maybe they have work and they have to stay at home at work and now they got to homeschool their kids. They don't know what's going on. All you want to do is self-medicate, but you know you can't because you got the little tyke running around. All right, step one. Oh, I should tell you a story. So I got divorced in 2017. That's kind of like social distancing, right? I was forced to social distance in 2017. So I was social distancing and I thought, well, I guess it's time to get on those apps. And I can count on probably 3 fingers on how many app dates I went on. This one was the first. Swipe right, swipe right, swipe right. I matched with a beautiful girl. Let's call her Shelly because that is her name. All right, first you want to take your peanut butter. I like it thin. I like a thin layer of peanut butter and spread it on there like that. Her name was Shelly. You know, your boy was just swinging for the fences. So I immediately said, hey, what's your number? I'm new to the apps. I actually wasn't lying. So she gives me her number. We start texting. We make plans to go out to this new wine bar that opened up on the Upper East Side, which I was excited about. Not only was this wine bar close to my apartment, but she also lived on the Upper East Side, which was just like godsend, right? New York is tiny, but sometimes after work, it feels like a burden to go to another neighborhood. Especially, I lived on the Upper East Side. If I got home from work, there was no way I was going downtown or to the West Side. So I think, yes, Shelly lives on the Upper East Side. Not only does she live on the Upper East Side, she lived about 7 blocks from me. I was on 73rd, she was on 81st. So I guess that's 8. But who's counting? All right, did you get your nice layer of peanut butter? Perfect. Shelly and I start texting, and she's super upfront with me right away. She goes, just so you know, I smoke blues. I hope that doesn't bother you. I really don't care. Like, I just want to go have a glass of wine and chat with somebody because I'm lonely. So we make plans to meet up Friday at 8:30 at this wine bar. Step 2, get your second piece of bread. Let's clean our knife. There's no paper towels. Found a roll. It's like a $10 bill right now. Friday rolls around. Oh, step 2. Step 2 of the peanut butter and jelly. You want to take your jelly. I have jam. What's the difference between jelly and jam? Jam has a smoother consistency. There's not like chunks of fruit. Totally your preference. Friday rolls around. Shelly texts me. She says, hey, I'm running a little late. Can we do 9:30? I say, fine. Yeah, I don't care. Like, I have nothing going on. I'm depressed at this time. I just want to talk to somebody. So around 8:30, she texts me again. She says, hey, this is going to sound weird, but can we just meet at your place? And I'm thinking, all right. She goes, yeah, we'll meet at your place, then we'll go down and get a glass of wine. Shelly texts me. She says she's here. She's downstairs. So I go downstairs. I get her. We go back up to the apartment. I pour her a glass of wine. I have some music playing on the Apple TV. Oh, God. This story is like, I can't believe, okay. We're chatting for a bit. Things are going well. She's beautiful. She works at one of the top salons in New York. So I'm thinking like, this will be fun. We have a couple glasses of wine. And I suggest, hey, why don't we go downstairs to the wine bar? She goes, okay, perfect. I said, all right, let me just use the restroom. So I go to the bathroom. I can hear some rustling in the kitchen, and I don't know what it is. But I finish up, I spritz myself with a refresher of cologne, and I'm excited, right? So I get out of the bathroom. Oh, by the way, look at this jelly. Jam. I'm walking out of the bathroom. I see Shelly. She's sitting down, this tiny little thing. She's sitting down on the couch, and as I'm walking to the living room, I start smelling something, and it smells sweet almost, but it's burning, right? It smells like a burning marshmallow, and I'm like, what is that? And I get closer and I see her, and she's smoking something off of tinfoil. And I say, Shelly, what are you doing? She goes, I'm smoking blues, I told you. I said, I thought blues were menthol cigarettes. And she goes, no, sweetie, it's OxyContin. Duh. Oh, and then when you get your two sides of your sandwich, you want to push them together like this. Look, we're almost done. And that was the last time I ever went out with a hairdresser. And look, our sandwich is done. How do you guys like to cut it? Are you diagonal or are you straight down the middle? Comment below. I'm straight down the middle. Nice little cut there. Ugh. Worst cooks in America say what? I love peanut butter and jelly. Oh, about 8 months later, I get a text. It says, hey, sweetie. I said, who's this? It's Shelly, duh. Do you want to come with me to buy a Halloween costume? So that year, I was Flynn Rider and she was Rapunzel.